Hello, and welcome to the Scalable desktop tutorial, where we will show you how to license our software. You will start by opening the Scalable desktop application. The menu that opens on the screen is available on all of our software applications. Each license is tied to the host machine, so when applying for the license, make sure you are on the computer from which you are going to calibrate the system. The first pop-up is going to ask if the computer you are using is going to be used to calibrate your display. In this instance, we would say yes. Next, it is going to ask if the time and date are correct for the software. You want to ensure that these are correct. Once that has been done, hit yes and next. From there, you will enter your contact information for the license itself. This is important in making sure it's right, so take your time. Once completed like so, you are going to hit next. The next menu is going to ask for a project title, as well as more details about the project you're creating. The second option is going to ask you to put a site location. Then, enter the number of projectors and displays you will have for this project. This setup is important as well, so make sure you verify your information. After that, you will apply the projector resolution that works best for you. Following that, you will choose the maximum number of cameras for your project, as well as the number of possible remote PCs you will have for this event. Selecting the screen geometry is crucial for the design, so make sure you know if your screens are going to be flat or curved. The next two options are important, as these choices include how the warp will be applied, as well as advanced color correction. After that, leave a description of what this project is being used for. This is being used for a demo example system. Click Next when you are finished. The next section is critical, as this will decide how you get your license. You can either send a request directly from the menu, or you can save the file and email your request to the email provided on the screen. For this example, we are going to send in our request. Once that process is completed, you are finished. You will receive an email in regards to your license. That is all we have for now. We hope you enjoyed our tutorial, and we will see you next time.